What's up, guys? Insert cheesy ad here really quick. No, I'm joking. For a great company. You guys want some badass merch? You want the war wagon on the back? Because, you know, we all can't go there and see it in person. Check out hrgengineering.com for all your lifted Honda needs. They got other cars. They're adding Subaru, Toyota. Every day, just pay attention. More and more is getting added. You want a badass lifted CRV? They got you. You want a badass lifted Civic wagon? They got you. You want a badass Ridgeline Pilot? They got you. Go check them out. You want to get spacers, lift kits, subframe drops? They got everything. You want to save some money? Use promo code CRVTOM. Just letting you know. Check it out. Save you some money on shipping. Probably save you a few dollars on the parts. Check them out. hrgengineering.com. Pay attention to them. They're ever growing and they're always adding more and more inventory. All right. What's up, guys? So, grab the lift. This is gonna be for it's a big ass box, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to get this from Ikon Motorsports. You see it there? It's already been kind of opened itself, and then I just opened it up. So this is gonna be for the '94 Prelude. This is the lip I went with because honestly, I don't know if any guys, Prelude guys, have looked. Finding lips in general, like genuine ones, have always been hard, but it's just getting ridiculous. And then finding any replica lips, or you know, ones that are just made with cheaper companies, but still usually fit pretty good, have been harder and harder to get a hold of, and they're going up in price. So this is a 92 to 96 M style front lip, made in Taiwan. So I'm gonna show you unwrap it and then show you guys. Again, this is the M style front lip from the 92 to 96 Prelude. Just want to make sure it fits all the bumpers all the way around. There wasn't a part that hits a lip or something. All right, let's walk it on the car. Okay, and there's my grumpy wife right there because she's mad that I forgot to give her credit for the other videos. That she did help me with all the engine stands, guys, and it was her idea to actually go out there and do it when I was pretty tired. So I forgot to give her credit on that because I had a long day at work and I was editing and doing those videos for you guys and on my page, and I was tired. So it's just placed up there. It's not bolted or anything, but it looks pretty good. So that's the lip that's going to go on this one. Ooh, almost lost it there. My leg strength still ain't all there yet. But yeah, so that's gonna be the lip on here. And like I said, got lots of plans for this one. Not gonna go in detail right now, but suffice to say, there's lots of parts sitting over there for this one too, and I'm still waiting on some stuff that's on back order. Because just getting parts that right now, during all this COVID bullshit that's just hopefully getting over, is a pain in the ass. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you like this one. Stay tuned for more work on it. I can't wait. I'm excited.